Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check nearby friends on Snapchat. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now one thing you have to note down is that there's no specific feature on Snapchat that allows you to check friends who live nearby you. However, there's one step that you can do in order to do so. So, at the bottom left corner of your screen, you can see the option of Map. Simply tap on it. Now, once you are here, simply tap on Enable Location. And now you will be on your Snapchat Maps location. Now your location will be displayed. Now, in order to check nearby friends, just tap on the blue circles on your map. Now, you will see the snaps uploaded by various people around you. You can tap on the name of these people and then add them accordingly. Now, in case if you have Snapchat friends, you can also see their location on the Snapchat map. If not, you can ask for their location by requesting it to them. So, that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.